ZAFUL, and I've always wanted to try them. They're all so cute. So I have some swimsuits, and I just have some regular clothes and some other things that I got. So I picked out some really cute things, and they were nice enough to send those over to me, and I'll be doing a nice review for you all. Let's just get right into it, shall we? Okay, so the first one is this like sweater. It's off the shoulder, super just like comfy. This is a one size fit all. Kind of concerned for the smaller people because this is pretty like big on me. I think if it's like put on like perfectly, then it won't be an issue, but you definitely like want to wear something under if this is like too big on you, because this is just, it's just gonna kind of fall off. Otherwise, I think it's super cute. I would definitely wear this out. I kind of wish it wasn't a one size fit all because then I could actually get it to fit me perfectly, but the sleeves are really cute too. Kind of has like this, whatever this is, it's happening here too. And then something else I got is also this super cute choker. I'm obsessed with this thing. I'm so happy I got it. It goes with everything. I'm gonna be wearing this with everything, probably. So it's this crop sweater. I actually wore this out already, but it's really nice, like thick material. It kind of cuts off like right on the right place. And I'm not wearing a bra with this because the material is really thick, so I really don't feel the need to. And when I don't have to wear a bra, I'm not gonna wear one, so. We're all about comfort here, you know? And then I also got these like raindroppy looking earrings. This like hook is definitely like a lot thicker than I thought it was gonna be. I think I would probably wear these more with like a nicer outfit. Okay, so I got this, like, it looks like it's a two-piece, but it's a one-piece. And I think it is so cute. It has this little, oh, am I supposed to tie more? It has this little tie here, and the straps are readjustable. I think have ever owned maybe like 3 bikinis in my life, and this basically looks like one. Okay, what I'm saying is that normally I don't wear stuff like this because I was never really comfortable with my body. So yeah, I'm really happy with this one. Definitely see me out on the beach with this. Okay, so next is this two-piece, and it's no bandeau style with high-waisted bottoms. And I thought like the two-color thing was cute. I love the kind of olive color on the bottom. So I was actually surprised that these fit because I was really scared about getting the wrong size for any of these, because the sizing is so confusing when it shows on the charts, because it says that a large is a size 8 in the US, and I'm definitely not a size 8. So I was literally just praying to the gods that these would fit me. So I got a large in all of them, and they all so far have fit. So I'm thankful, I'm very thankful. So here's this like cheetah print one. When I saw this one, I was like, oh my god, I have to get it, because I just really wanted to try like the off the shoulder style. This is the boob part is like really small. My boobs feel like they're about to pop out. Like I don't know if that's like the point of this one. Like they're supposed to be under boob or what's happening. This part goes like this. This is an option too. So I kind of actually like it better without the thing here because it's literally making my boobs fly around. These bottoms are definitely a little bit smaller than the other ones that I got. I actually turned these around. So I heard that's like a thing. I don't know if it's like free, but it's a thing. You can turn these around so that it's like cheekier in the backside and like more coverage here. So I tried that. I don't know if it's working. So here's the next one. So it's just a red like two-piece. This one I think is really cute because they're like higher waisted bottoms, which I like because it like covers this area. But I also like this part is really cute because god, this took me forever to freaking tie. But what's cute is that this like you tie it yourself, so you can kind of do whatever you want here. I just did a bow, but not sure what else you could do with it, honestly, but if you're creative, probably figure out something. And then I also got this fanny pack, which I thought was super cute. I probably wear this to like a concert or like a rave mainly, so I can just wear this and not have to worry about anyone stealing my shit. Keep it in front of you, you know? I really like it because it has two parts here, like two openings here. But then also it has one in the back. If you know what I mean. Secret stash. It's like $15. And it's kind of like a felty material. Okay, so next I got this jean jacket, and this was the most hilarious thing to me because I thought it was a jean jacket with like a sweater under, but it literally came separate than this, so I was so confused. I'm gonna just put this on first. I guess the nice thing about this is that you can just wear whatever sweater you want with the jean jacket. Like perfect size. I don't, but everything else, perfect. This, but like if I put another sweater on, bam, it's not bad, not bad. Hey. Okay, so this is just classic black two-piece, just a bandeau. I think I'm just like obsessed with bandeaus or something, I don't know. I don't even think they look that good on me, so I'm not sure why. And then I flipped the front to be in the back on this one. This one's actually really cute. This classic look, I don't know. The top is like pretty snug, and so are the bottoms. So, and I got a large in this one too, but so I got these sunglasses because I just wanted to try them. And it comes in this super cute case and very hardy. I was really surprised that they sent it like this. So, and it comes even with like glass cleaner. But these are the ones I got. I think these are so cute. I keep like, are these supposed to come off? So I'll definitely be wearing these to the beach. Well folks, I hope you liked the video. Those were some bomb swimming suits. Good quality, which I was really surprised about because the pricing on the swimsuits are definitely less than a lot of other online stores that I've seen. So yeah, I was very, very surprised. And yeah, they're so cute. And I'm so glad I got the right size. Like, so freaking glad. That would have been sad. Let me know of any other places that you'd like me to try. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and just go ahead and subscribe while you're at it.
For this recipe, we need 300 ml vanilla ice cream. If you're using small glasses, this recipe will give you 2 glasses of thick shake. 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. This chocolate sauce is from my chocolate sauce recipe. You can use any other brand's chocolate sauce as well. Half cup chilled milk. The milk should be very cold. 1 teaspoon sugar. This is optional as the sauce and ice cream are already sweet. 4 ice cubes. And some cocoa powder and whipped cream for garnishing. These are also optional. Now let's take a look at the recipe. In a jar or any other utensil, take half cup of chilled milk. To this add 2 tablespoons chocolate sauce. Now using your hand blender, give this a good mix. If you want to use your mixer grinder, put these things in the blender jar and blend it till the chocolate sauce and the milk are completely mixed. Now add 4 ice cubes and again give this a mix. Now add 300 ml vanilla ice cream. You can use any brand's vanilla ice cream. This recipe will give you 2 medium-sized or small glasses of chocolate thick shake, but I'm going to use a bigger one, so this is like 1 glass of chocolate thick shake for me. This ice cream will give this thick shake a very nice taste, and the texture will be very creamy, and of course it's going to give you a thick shake. Now using your hand blender, give this a mix so that everything is just combined and not liquidy. Do not over mix it, otherwise the thick shake will turn very liquidy. If you're doing this in your mixer grinder jar, follow the same thing. You just need to use the pulse mode of your mixer grinder and mix this shake only till it's just combined. There you go, this chocolate sauce is now ready. You can see how thick this is. Now we'll pour this into the glass. Now pour some chocolate sauce. This is additional to the 2 tablespoon sauce which we had added in the shake. Just make some random swirls, and now into this pour the thick and delicious chocolate sauce. Oops, the shake. Yes, that's what I meant. Now top this shake with some whipped cream and dust some cocoa powder. These steps are optional. A delicious chocolate thick shake is now ready.